Welcome to our guide on making money online in 2025. Today, we're diving into the rise of dropshipping and how you can capitalize on it using AI tools. AI tools are revolutionizing the way dropshipping operates. Let's explore just how these innovations can transform your business approach. Find winning products effortlessly through automated product research, allowing you to focus on scaling your business. AI-powered inventory management keeps track of your stock automatically, ensuring you never run out of bestsellers. Enhance user experience with AI chatbots that can handle customer inquiries quickly and effectively. Utilize predictive analytics to forecast trends and sales, keeping your business one step ahead of the competition. Automate your order fulfillment to simplify shipping and delivery, making the entire process seamless. Leverage AI for targeted advertising campaigns that reach your audience effectively and efficiently. Integrating AI into your dropshipping model is essential for long-term success. It's time to adapt and thrive. By embracing AI tools today, you're ensuring your dropshipping business is future-proofed for continued success. Let's get started.